Hello. So we're continuing this demonstration Android application, and so next I will work on services and controllers. For this video, it's just going to focus on services. Previous video, we implemented core and configuration packages. So let's get into NetBeans again. So here we are. We will create another package and services. So this is the phrase service. I believe that's what I called it. Oh, okay, and then we're gonna create a local phrase service. New local phrase service. Okay. Well, we could do something like this and move this guy over here. Would it be a little bit of a cleaner thing? So I believe we had public void load, public void next, public void previous, and we're gonna make this an interface. Okay. I just like to do this for visual separation, and maybe later on I do write comments. So this guy is going to implement a phrase service, and it's a component, meaning that it's going to be managed by the dependency injection framework. Okay. So now let's just get into the implementations. Here we're going to inject bean. We're going to inject the property, private property phrase. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to have a helper here class, local phrase loader. And this guy is just I will create the loader class here. Local phrase loader. Okay. And so here I want to load this phrases. So private list phrases equals array list. Okay, cool. So we're gonna get this loader, get phrases. So here we'll just kind of do this phrases is empty. That way, just in case, it's not going to happen, but in case this is called twice, Let's see how this looks. So we can get the phrases here. So we'll do a list phrase result return result. Okay, so now to implement this phrase loader, I'm going to cheat a little bit. Phrase loader. So what we will do is we will, here in resources, we're going to make a folder. We'll call it data, and then we'll make an empty file. We'll call this phrases. That, and we will include some phrases. So we'll just kind of include one. So hi, my name is Ricardo, and then it will be hoy mi nome es Ricardo. Okay, now what we will do is come over here. We will get an input stream here. Or actually the input and then we will do this. So I'm actually grabbing this from some previous code that I wrote. Alrighty. Let's get rid of this, and then this. Read from that stream. Okay, cool. Let me rename this variable. Alright, that does it. So we got the phrases, we got them loaded. Now let's implement this next in previous. So I'm kind of cheating here. I'm going to grab from some code I already wrote. So for next, it means to go to the next phrase. So there's that. Let me rename this phrase property. And let me also get previous. I'll explain what this does in a few. Okay, just write some fake comment there. Okay, looks good. We're about ready for the controllers. We have this service implemented. I think it wants to be final here. So notice we're injecting this phrase property, yes? So we're going to do something kind of interesting. No, we'll do it in the next video. I just really wanted to quickly implement these guys. In the next video, we're going to start working a little bit more with the dependency injection, actually looking at some of that in action. So we'll just do a little bit of debugging before we get into the controllers. Here, let me just make the package for controllers next. Okay, nice. So we'll continue in the next video with a debugging, and after that we will do the controllers.